folks, welcome to the channel. So in today's video I'm going to do a full tour of Guardamar. Although I've done bits and pieces, I haven't really done one that would show somebody that's never been here, for example, the layout, the feel of the place. So I'm going to go everywhere and do a wee bit of filming for that purpose. So anyone who thinking of coming here on a holiday or for a visit, it's going to be great. Anyone else, it's good for a wee nosy. And I'm going to leave the place that I go to the most to the end of the video, so it's a surprise. And I'm going to start off at the harbour, so I hope you enjoy the video. So that's the Segura River. That's the river that runs up past my apartment where I take the dogs walking. And then this is the boat yard. Not great. I'd like to think there's a better boat yard down here somewhere. Ta-da! So this is the marina, which I was expecting there to be more people here. It's midday and it's empty. So this is as far north, it's as far north as you can go. And I'm going to work my way along the coastal part as much as possible, then show you the centre and up and maybe round the outside and up to the castle. Another wonderful day today. Boats must be the most unused equipment that human beings have. I imagine that most people that buy a boat, not everybody obviously, but a lot of people that buy boats take a notion and hardly ever use them. And the rest are just for holidays and sunny days. I've always fancied having a boat, big fancy boat, big boat that can take you anywhere, show off boat. This is a vast area, like, would you call it a forest? But massive area. It extends from not far from my apartment, the whole way down to the water, down to the sea, and then up into the town. And I keep meaning to do a walk through it, and there's these walkways, but I haven't done it yet, and I can't do it now. I was thinking there I'd do it now, but no, I can't because I'm doing this. But I'll go and see if I can find the start of the walkways, and then I'll know for next time. That area is even bigger than I thought it was. So definitely I'm going to have to take a walk in there. Right, next, town centre. So I'm going to head down to the fountain roundabout and then up into the centre of the town, to the shopping area, and that's the edge of that forest. And that's Molly's favourite place where she gets to run about with no maid. And for anyone who doesn't watch the channel, Molly's the dog, not the girlfriend or anything. As usual, I will attempt to go into the church. Don't know why I always attempt to go into the church, but I've never managed to get into it. It's always closed. So, town centre. Usually when I'm here, everything's closed. Church, which we've come to twice, open, so we're going to go into the church first. There's the big fella. For anyone who is interested, the church is air conditioned. And about to close. I have a theory why I always end up going to the town when all the shops are closed during siesta, and it's subconscious. My being dislikes shopping so much. It's subconsciously. Make sure I don't go near any shops at opening hours. So obviously this is the town centre, the main shopping area in the town. Lots of restaurants, bars, nice atmosphere, but this time of the year, fairly quiet. That is my vets. So now we're as far south as we can go, and I'm going to head down to the beach. The last time I was near this area, you couldn't get parked. Once the real heat comes, summer holidays happen, nightmare to get parked anywhere near the beach. Right, so we're now as far south as you can possibly go. I've never come up this far before. Very nice. So this is Guardamar Beach. It's a fairly big town, isn't it? But like everywhere you go in Spain, it's apartments, apartments, apartments. Just to the right there, that's the promenade, which is just lined with restaurants and bars, and a really nice promenade. Now that this nice weather's returned, it makes such a difference. Walking about with your shorts on, feeling comfortable. Nice heat. Right. Now I'm going to take you up around what I call the back end of Guardamar, and then on up around where the castle is. Every time I pass that hotel, it makes me think about the fact there's so few hotels in Guardamar. It's almost all apartments. There are hotels, but not a lot. Not a lot. This is another shopping road which runs parallel with the main street, and plenty of restaurants and bars along here, but most of them, as far as I can see, open at night. So I've already done a review. There's a fantastic park here, and this is a fantastic kids area, so I'm not going to do it again, but well worth a visit. So I'll put the review here, okay, and I have an audience. Hello. I would consider this to be right in the centre of Guardamar. Don't know what that is. right? So, onward and upward. This is the main road from the centre of town down to the beach. It's a really nice walk, and to the right is the forest. 2 o'clock, and you can really feel the Spanish heat returning now. Wonderful! Right, what I'm going to say now has nothing to do with this video, but a couple of people have complimented me recently for my t-shirts. Nice, colourful, bright t-shirts. And I just thought I would say, isn't it funny that the first time I've ever been complimented in my t-shirts in my whole life, I bought them all for €350 recently in Primark. For anyone who doesn't know Primark, like maybe American people, it's a very, very, very exclusive but very cheap shop. Exclusive as in Walmart exclusive. I shouldn't really tell people stuff like that. Like that I bought cheap t-shirts in Primark. I should just keep the illusion going. But I can't help myself. It's a bit like I'd be a bad magician. I have a couple of really, really good card tricks, like really good. When I show them to people, they're amazing. Oh my god, that's incredible. But I can't help showing them how I did it. And the reaction's always, oh, is that how you did it? So you can imagine that I actually bought all my t-shirts in designer shops, okay? So this is the back end of the town. That is the garage that I use for everything garage related. And up on the left, that's the castle, but I'm not going to go up to it today. And that's where the whole Guardamar's Wednesday market, great wee market actually. And into the left, up that road, that's how you get up to the castle. Wherever you want to go, Alicante, Torrevega, that's where you get the bus. Right, so I said at the start of the video I was going to leave the best to last. Now the castle, that's my favourite place to go in Guardamar. Just think it's lovely, it's peaceful. Where we're going now is the place that I go to the most in Guardamar. In fact, maybe 3 times a week. Is it exciting? Ta-da! Not actually Aldi, this area, they're all here, all the supermarkets. And I seem to be in them a lot. In fact, I'm going to go into this one now and get myself some apple turnover. So I hope you enjoyed the video. I'm going to leave it off there. If you did enjoy it, subscribe, would be fantastic. Thumbs up, you don't know how much, just give it a wee thumbs up, helps the channel. I'd love to hear your comments. But until next time, bye for now.